Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can connect your Xbox Live account to your Steam account. To do that, first go to your Xbox Live account. Then go here and click on your name and click on settings. Here scroll down and click the link button in front of Steam and sign in your Steam account. Then enter the code that has been sent to your mail. Copy this code and paste here. And then click on sign in and click on open Xbox. And here you can see our Xbox Live account is connected to our Steam account. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.